Come on.
Why?
Come on. Come on. Stay right here. 221.
I'm sorry, what's your location?
Phillips and Hickory. Come on. You gotta stand up.
What'd I do?
Come on. Turn around.
Why?
Look. Turn around. Oh! Officer shot! Officer shot! Officer shot! Help me!
Where's your radio?
Help me!
Where's your radio?
Where are we? Officer shot! Help!
Hey, you got an officer down 2500 block of Hickory Street. Female officer down 2500 block of Hickory Street.
It was William Patterson. Black jacket, black shorts, black pants. Help!
You all right? Come on, hang with me. Hang with me. Hey, help! Come out! Where's your 10-1 button?
It's the red button. Help.
Officer down, 2500 block of Hickory Street. Oh, stay still, stay down. Stay down.
Where'd he go?
Take your hair first. I don't know where he took off.
Where are you shot? Stay with me. Stay with me. Where are you shot?
Arms and leg.
I got you, babe. I got you. Stay with me, okay? Watch my back, man.
I got you.
Watch my back.
I got her good.
423. Scene secure. Get a medic. Shot twice.
He took off.
Okay.
Eastbound. Towards the.
Okay. Hold on.
Senior Citizen Village. Let me tell them.
Stay with me, okay? You hear me? Stay with me. Stay with me, okay, sweetheart? I got you. Stay with me. Stay with me, okay? Talk to me, okay? Where else? Where else you shot? Where's your tourniquet? Get your
Give me
tourniquet.
the tourniquet. Give me the tourniquet. I got it. Relax. Listen, relax. Where's the
Okay.
shooter at? Which
We
way?
got shooter. Shooter ran off.
Give a description. Give me a bolo. Get a bolo out.
Towards the.
All right. Where else are you shot?
Arm in the arm. She said the
Senior
arm.
Citizen Village.
Said the arm. Sweetheart, come here.
Where at?
Look at me. Look at me. Hold my hand.
What's the description? Give me the description.
William Patterson.
William
Patterson.
Patterson.
Put that out. Put that out.
423. Suspect is William Patterson. Took off on foot towards, I believe, Romanesque.
Put me on scene. 414 on scene. 414 on scene. Hey, set up a perimeter. Set up a perimeter.
Yeah, whoever else is responding can be perimeter, all right?
Where are you hurting at, sweetie? Right here. Right here. Right here. Stay there.
It's okay. Hey, look at me. We're gonna get you help, okay? Look, you trained for this. Sweetheart, you trained for this. Take your hand down. You trained for this, okay?
The suspect took off.
Look, you
towards-
trained for this. Look at me, okay? Look at me. We trained for this. All right, you're tough, all right? All right, it's right here, Rob. Move. Go. All right, we need perimeter units. We need perimeter units, all right? He's on foot. We got this, all right? Get the medics in. Set up a perimeter. Will Patterson.
Perimeter.
Hey, you're doing good,
Need to
okay?
set up
You're doing
perimeter
good.
to search.
We got it, okay? Sir, just stay right here with us, okay?
I just heard shots when I looked out. I saw them falling.
We got two armed and left thigh. I'm sorry, upper chest and the left thigh.
You got the thigh. Tighten that off. Good. All right.
Yeah, it's good.
Can you make sure we got a good one?
We need to get LT.
Hey,
He's on the Black Mountain Hike.
here.
Black Mountain Bike.
Here.
Black,
people
Black,
working in
Black
the house
Mountain Bike
should
with
have seen
Will
something.
Patterson.
Hey,
Young black male juvenile.
Will Patterson.
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay.
Dr. Winnie, stay
You're
with us,
talking
okay?
Okay, so what happened?
Black Mountain Bike.
Huh?
Clear the road for the
Do what?
ambulance. He's in here. Move that vehicle.
Relax.
Move the
John,
vehicle.
John.
Relax,
Hey,
LT.
I'm gonna move the
Relax.
vehicle. Get that
Take
one
it
out of the
easy.
way.
In my arm.
What was your name?
What would you wear?
Like this way.
Okay, no big deal.
We got it up. Look.
We got it.
Good.
All right.
Tight. Tight.
LT, we got it.
It's tight.
Clear out of path.
Okay, Angela.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Back up.
Hey, you guys just make sure that perimeter's set.